You have hair loss, especially the frontal area, the
Yep.
corners.
I expected a few pinches with the anesthetics. Kind of like a dentist, I would say.
I'm Dr. Zafer. Now I am starting the incision part.
So, how are you? Feel okay?
Alright, yeah.
Okay.
A little excited.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Dave.
Dr. Zafer.
Oscar.
This is Dr. Lee.
Oscar, nice to meet you.
Oscar Wozniak.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Poland originally.
Poland.
Yeah, but I live in London.
Tak, tak. Can you switch the chair, please?
I will redraw your donor area.
Yeah.
How is it looking? Moderate, super, weak.
It looks moderate.
You have hair loss, especially the frontal area, the
Yep.
corners, and also the crown part.
Yeah.
The middle part looks fine now.
I'll try to find the photos just to see.
Mhm. The corners, yeah,
Yeah.
higher. Middle parts.
Middle parts is perfect.
Yeah.
I think it's just the corners could go just a little bit
It's a
higher.
little bit high. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think I was quite young actually, because when I was about 20, I went to the doctors and they had a look at my hair follicles and said that some of them are getting like thinner, smaller. But obviously, it was quite a slow process. And then at one stage, I was like, well, I need to do something about it. So,
Two of my friends
Came here?
Yeah, yeah. Kevin.
Are they happy
Yeah.
with the result?
Yeah, they're happy with the result as well. So
100% or
yeah,
50%?
100%.
100%.
And there's some more friends. They're waiting to see my result to decide if they wanna come as well. So yeah, I think I've got at least 2 or 3 people that are considering coming here as well.
Tak, tak.
Yeah.
At the middle part, you have existing hairs. For the protect your existing hairs, please use medical supplements.
Yeah.
Minoxidil, finasteride, or multivitamin supplements.
Yeah.
She will explain to you after the
Yeah.
session. Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, that's quite straightforward.
Just because of the anesthesia part, in just 5 to 10 minutes, you can feel pain. After that, you don't feel any pain. Okay? If you are okay, we can start your operation.
Yeah.
Here's the room. This
Hiya, how you doing?
So we're gonna start out with the anesthesia part right away. Okay.
yes, it was alright. I said that initially the anesthetic was a little bit painful, but then the pain went away quite fast. And then I even fell asleep a few times, so pretty painless, quite good. But as you said, like it was at 3 or 2 big pinches, but other than that, it's alright.
Okay, good. Also, right now, in the middle part, how do you feel?
That's alright.
Okay, good.
I expected a few pinches with the anesthetics. Kind of like a dentist, I would say.
Oh, yeah.
Initial pain, then it just goes away.
Okay, sir. I'm Dr. Zafer. Now I am starting the incision part. After that, you shouldn't feel any pain. But if you feel pain, please tell me immediately. Don't be hesitated. Okay?
No worries.